Hey y'all, I'm learning a new stitch. This is called the extended single crochet rib stitch, and it's textured on both sides. You want to learn? Come with me. Okay, so I'm already using this stitch on a project. So I'm at the end of this row, I'm going to chain one and turn my work. And I'm going to do a single crochet in this first stitch under both loops, the front and back loop. I'm going to do a single crochet and I'm going to mark that stitch. You want to mark your first stitch of the round so it doesn't get buried in the stitches. Now I'm going to go back into that same stitch I just worked that single crochet in, go back into that stitch and pull up a loop. So I have two loops on my hook. In the next stitch, I'm going to go into the back loop only, and I'm going to pull up a loop. So now I have three loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through one, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all three. I'm going to do that again, which you're going to go into the stitch that you just worked into. Because we worked in the back loop, we're going to go into the back loop. We're going to pull up a loop through that back loop there. Then we're going to go into our next stitch in the back loop only, pull up a loop. So now we have three loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through one. Now we have three. We're going to yarn over and pull through all three again. So you're going to repeat this by going into that back loop of that stitch you just worked, pull up a loop, go into your next stitch into the back loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through three. And so you're going to complete that all the way down the row. And there's no stitch count for this, like no chain multiple for this particular stitch or anything. So I'm going to go continue working down this row, and I'll meet you back at the end and show you how we finish off the end. Okay, so now we're coming up on our last two stitches. We're going to go into this previous stitch, pull up a loop, go into this back loop of the next, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through three. Now we are ready to do our last stitch. We can take out the stitch marker. We're going to go into the previous, pull up a loop, and now in this back loop, this last stitch, we're going to go under both loops, not just the back loop. We're going to go under both loops. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, and yarn over and pull through three. So that's how you finish off the row. Then you're going to chain up one and turn your work. So this is what your project will look like. You can see you have like a raised ribbing here on this side, and you have it on the other side as well. So it textures both sides of your work. So again, this is called the extended single crochet rib stitch, and hope you guys enjoy.